Hello everyone, my name is Alexa Avila and I would like to provide an overview of Apple. So Apple Incorporated is a global technology company founded in 1976, most known for its innovative consumer electronics, software, and services like the iPhone, Mac computers, iPad, Apple Watch, and other digital platforms like iCloud and Apple Music. Apple's mission statement is to bring the best user experience to customers through innovative hardware, software, and services. And their vision statement is to make the best products on earth and to leave the world better than we found it. I thought this photo was pretty interesting, so here's an image of Steve Jobs, one of the founders of Apple, presenting the Macintosh computer. Now, what is the vertical integration strategy? So, this is a business strategy where a company controls multiple stages of its supply chain from product to distribution instead of relying on external suppliers and essentially cutting out the middlemen. Apple uses a vertical integration strategy by controlling multiple stages of its supply chain and essentially serving as their own supplier and distributor. From designing hardware to developing software and managing retail distribution through its stores, Apple controls its product development process.
Hello, my name is Alyssa, and I'll be going over how Apple implements the vertical integration strategy. Apple controls key aspects of its products through vertical integration, enhancing performance, quality, and customer loyalty. Let's break it down. Apple develops in-house chip design and proprietary software. They design their own M series chips, optimizing speed, efficiency, and performance without relying on third parties. By developing iOS and macOS, Apple ensures seamless integration across devices, enhancing user experience and security. In addition, Apple manufactures components through exclusive suppliers. The company partners with select suppliers for key components, maintaining high quality and reducing dependency on external manufacturers. They also sell products through direct sales channels. With Apple Stores and its online platform, Apple controls branding, pricing, and customer experience firsthand. For their strategic benefits, this approach optimizes performance, ensures quality, and strengthens customer loyalty through a fully integrated ecosystem.
Key disadvantages of Apple's vertical integration strategies. When Apple and other products come out, they risk a lot of things while they bring out these new products. They risk the chance that consumers may not like the products. They can take the chance that the marketing has shifted. Many of these outside sources, which they do not have control of, may take effect on how well their product um, meets the market. First, there's high costs and capital investments. So many people know there's a lot of investment that goes into these new products. There's marketing, there's strategies. So when Apple creates this new product and puts out this new technology, they have a chance that the technology that they created does not perform up to the consumer's expectations, which will cause them to have to recall the product or fix certain issues which cost them money and time. There's also a chance that the market is shift when they bring out this new technology. So Samsung may brought out a phone that has better expectations or has better camera services. So this chance also may lose them money. And then there is limited supply and flexibility. So there may be disturbance in the factories, or factories may shut down, or products that are coming from other countries may not come in, which puts a dent into this new technology coming out. So they may cost them more money because they already set the marketing out there. They're already expecting a certain time that this product will come out, and things have fallen behind. Also, there's regulation and antitrust. Take, for instance, in 2020, Apple versus Epic Games had a lawsuit against them, which forced Apple to open an ecosystem in some marketing. So they had to change the way that they produce products. They had to change the environment that they produce products in, which cost them money. Higher product costs and pricing pressure. So, say for instance, in this new administration, there is tariffs on certain countries which products come into our country may cost more. So with these costs also push out on the consumers. So these costs of little things may cause Apple to make their products higher, which may cause people not to be able to afford the new Apple phone, which will also draw from their sales and push down their investments. Risk of employee and supply conflicts. So, if a supplier is dissatisfied with Apple, they may not want to deal with them anymore, or may not want to sell anything to them, so they would have to find another supplier. There's also an issue that the workers that work for Apple are not going to be happy. Many of these disadvantages are a maybe, but just the little things will cost Apple money and to lose either people who purchased their product or even their stockholders.
Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Manley, and today I will be presenting the key advantages of Apple's vertical integration strategy. So, one advantage to start off is that Apple will have more control over the quality of their product because Apple can control both the hardware and the software of their product. They can ensure that their product meets their quality standard as opposed to not being able to control any defectiveness that might occur with a large manufacturer. Another advantage is cost efficiency. This eliminates having to use a third party because they design and manufacture their own chips, and this makes for larger profit margins. And then the third advantage that they have is better customer experience or overall service because Apple develops both its hardware and software. They can make sure that the two work well together to make for a better experience overall for their consumers. So there are a lot of advantages to this vertical integration plan that comes along with the disadvantages that were previously listed.